It's fair to say that arts and business has certainly helped us to become an industry leader.
Without a doubt, A&B Cymru has helped us shape Hijinks into the company we are today.
Thinking outside of the box, I think that's what arts and business do for us.
Whether you're an arts member or you're a business member, the relationships are absolutely central and core to what they do.
The partnerships that they've helped us to broker have extended to all parts of our business and helped us to get our message across in the community.
Something different, something a little bit challenging, some perhaps a little bit edgy to what we're used to in the housing sector. And I think that's the benefit of that partnership.
The really creative and innovative help that they gave us in getting our message across on carbon monoxide poisoning, which we developed in partnership with the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama, I think is a fantastic example of the sort of thing that the arts community could have helped us with.
A&B Cymru has supported a burgeoning area of our work through the Culture Step programme. Through role-play techniques, Hijinks actors have trained Western Power Distribution call centre staff to improve their communication with vulnerable customers. It's about supporting learning disabled people to do more for themselves and live independent and meaningful lives, which is what Hijinks is all about.
I was part of the Creative Internships pilot programme. Arts and business brought their unique training packages, which are just invaluable in lots of different ways. Had it not been for arts and business, then there's no way that I would be at a point professionally and personally where I could manage the other room. It's been fantastic. It's been really amazing.
Very interactive, very creative. So I would encourage the whole of Wales to take advantage of arts and business.
If you're passionate about business and you're passionate about art and you want to find ways of working, arts and business can help you.